Many people have asked me, what exactly do we sell? That's a question I get a lot, and I wanted to clear that up because I know many people are very curious. Here we are not selling courses, apps, or physical stuff like most people think. Think of it like an online franchise, but without paying a tons of money. What we really offer is a ready-made online business that's already set up for you. It's already done for you. So here's what comes with it. It's a tools and system that runs automatically even when you're asleep. Your own website, of course you need a website, step-by-step training that's easy to follow, mentors and coaches to guide you all the way, a global group of people who will support you. High-paying product partnership already in place. And the best part, you don't have to figure it out what to sell. And to start, you just buy a product package for yourself, something you can use at home. And that's it. If this sounds cool and you want to know more, send me a message and I'd love to explain everything to you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye!